Find all pairs of consecutive positive even integers, each larger than 5, for which the combined value is less than 23. Okay, let us begin. We'll first consider two consecutive positive even integers, and we're going to name it as x and x plus 2. Now here we have chosen x and x plus 2 in such a way such that x is the smaller one of the two integers. Now let's apply the given condition. According to the question, it's given here that each larger than 5. That means x is going to be greater than 5 and x plus 2 is also going to be greater than 5. Now from this two inequality, we're only going to choose x to be greater than 5, because if the smaller one is greater than 5, then the larger one, which is x plus 2, that's automatically going to be greater than 5. So we are considering only one equality. That means x is going to be greater than 5. And the other condition states that the combined value must be less than 23. Now that means if we take the sum x added to x plus 2, that this sum must be less than 23. So we have 2x less than 23 minus 2. That's going to give us 2x less than 21. So when we divide both sides by 2, the inequality sign is not going to change. That's because 2 is a positive number. Dividing by a positive number does not change the sign of the inequality. So 21 divided by 2, so that's going to be 10.5. So if we combine the two inequalities, 1 and 2, that means from inequality 1 and inequality 2, we have the condition that our x value lies between 5 and 10.5. Now, if x lies between 5 and 10.5, then what's going to be the x value? The x, we have to consider all the even integers lying between 5 and 10.5. So that's going to be 6. We have 8. And we don't have any more. So these are the only two numbers. Okay. Now that we have values of x, we will try to find out the values of x plus 2. So that means when x equals to 6. This implies that x plus 2, that means the next consecutive even integer, is going to be 8. And this tells us that 6, 8 is going to be one of the pair. It's going to be one of the pair. And let's quickly check out if it satisfies our conditions or not. We can see that both 6 and 8 are greater than 5. And also if we take the sum, that's going to be 14, and 14 is going to be less than 23. Right. If we choose the number x to be equals to 8, then 8x plus 2, so that is going to be equals to 10, which means that we have one more pair, so that's going to be 8, 10. So this is going to be the other pair. And clearly, 8 and 10 both are greater than 5, and if we take the sum, which is 18, 18 is also less than 23. Hence, 6, 8 and 8, 10 are the two pairs of consecutive even integers that meets the given criterion.